Every Haas machine is assembled by an experienced team. Sub-assemblies and parts come from all over our 1 million square foot factory. Here's a snapshot of just a few of the team members who build the Haas VF-1.
My name's Ramiro Gonzalez, and I work in the small line casting department.
My name's Sal. I'm installing the columns.
My name is Kevin Peacock. I work in the basic squaring operation.
My name's Robert. We build the enclosures.
My name is George Durán de los Rios. We're at the final area of the small line.